Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Oh Shiitake Mushrooms in this video. Girl temper tantrum arrested after pulling fire alarm at hotel original. This is the new one they uploaded last Friday, and I'm gonna react to it right now. And sorry for the camera shaking, everybody. Snoopy just came in and he jumped up on the bed. Sorry about that, everybody. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now, let's get to this video.
Oh my gosh, guys. What a weekend. What a crazy weekend. So I'm just getting out
Sorry, I had an itch right here. Sorry about that.
of the police station right now. And I had to bail myself out. I had to bail Leland out. I had to bail Leanna out. All three of us. So Carol grabbed the kids earlier. That's why I'm by myself right now. And I had to wait a few more hours for the, I don't know, processing, whatever.
Notification. Hold on, everyone. Sorry about that, everybody.
So, you know, I just want one normal weekend, guys. So, hopefully we can put all that craziness behind us now. I'm free again, guys. So, I know Uncle Jay was trying to start some rumors saying that last week's video was our final video, and it's not, guys. We're doing another video here. As long as I'm out of the slammer, we'll expect more videos from us. Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Post that on YouTube!
God, control your kid. Dude, get out of my face.
Dude, you just need to deal with it, okay?
Alright, what's up, guys? So, we are staying at a hotel room that we didn't really want to stay at, but here we are anyway. And, we're in town to see another Leanna dance. So, that's what we're doing. So, it's getting kind of late. It's almost 9. So, we're going to be putting the kids to bed here in a minute, and then tomorrow Leanna has her dance.
Did you hear the phone?
The phone? Why is there a phone in the bathroom?
There's a phone right here next to the toilet.
So you can like take a and you can like order pizza or something?
You never know where someone might be calling you from. Ew, I'm touching it. I just love that.
Ew, that's gross, Kara. Here's a sweet kitchen. That would be, appropriate size if you lived in Europe. Or, I guess it could be London. Like, stand next to the fridge, London. It's like almost, yeah.
I can do this.
Very short fridge. So, not a very big room, because this is not what we wanted originally, but fold-out couch, kids can sleep, and then there's our bed there. Got a little kitchen, which is itty-bitty. I mean, look how tiny this is. Like, look how short the fridge is. Look at that. This is like something you'll find in Europe.
It's like a 5-foot fridge or something.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Very cute.
I feel very tall when I stand next to it. Yeah.
Jill was trying to make some popcorn.
I want some.
Microwave.
What?
Stop, who's screaming now?
He's rubbing his feet on me.
What?
He's rubbing his feet on me.
Feet. Hey, don't be rubbing feet.
Not in bowls, but they have a colander.
Guess it's close enough to a bowl. Whatever. Alright, who wants popcorn? Oh, you got it. You have braces. You have a metal mouth. You can't have popcorn. So, you have braces. I'm
I don't care.
sorry.
I eat what I want.
Don't stop that again. Alright, you guys got your popcorn now? I need everyone to...
Except for me. Apparently, I don't get anything. Hello.
She can't have popcorn. She has braces. This room is too small.
From the fridge before I
Go to bed. Like, the fridge is like a foot away from the bed.
Oh, you know what I can do? I can like sit in bed.
Yeah.
And get.
Well, too bad it doesn't open the other way.
I know.
can't really reach anything.
I could almost cook eggs in the morning.
So this is not the room we wanted originally, guys. We were trying to get a suite.
At this point, we were thankful to get it.
Well, there's a big dance competition happening, so I mean, there's like a dozen hotels here, but everything's booked. And I don't know, some high roller got our room, and so we had to settle for this room, I guess. I don't know.
It was literally the only thing
Even though Carol booked months in advance,
did.
and so
They gave it away to someone else.
they gave to some high rollers, so we were bumped to the side, and
We were extremely.
it's BS. It's BS. It's like we reserved the room before these other people did, but yet they got the room somehow because
And we specifically booked at a hotel that was easy to walk.
yeah, it's not even the same hotel.
And now we're
Leanna, stop eating the popcorn.
She just ate popcorn.
Leanna, you better not.
I'm eating my cookies.
You better not. I'm not replacing your braces. Oh, it's too late now.
It's too late.
Yeah, we don't want you to wet the bed, especially since you'll be sharing with your older siblings tonight.
Hey, so I'm bored, so I think I'm gonna prank my family by pressing the fire alarm. I see one. I'm gonna do it.
Alright, you guys having a good hotel stay? What do you think?
Alright.
What? 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 Is that the fire alarm?
Oh my god! What's going on?
Why is that? Do we need to get out? Do we need to get out? Go! Normal day. What? Leanna?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I put the fire.
You did what? You get back in the room right now.
No.
You get back in the room.
Can I do it again?
No, Leanna, get back here right now.
I want to do it.
Fire alarm is not a toy.
But it has.
It's not a toy.
It's a little lever just so
Back
you
into
can
the
pull it.
hotel.
Why can't I just pull it?
Leanna, that's for emergency.
I want to do it.
No.
Why can't I
Stop.
just do it? I do what I want, Dad. And I
You guys all just sitting here.
I pulled the fire alarm.
She pulled the fire alarm, Carol.
What are you gonna do about it?
She pulled the fire alarm. Yeah.
I didn't know what was going on. We don't
I don't care. I do what I
I
want.
like how you guys were all just.
do what you want. You will do what I tell you to do.
I do what I want.
Stop.
Get over here right now. Bend over.
Oh, gee. Not in the hotel. This room is too small for this. Alright, guys, so Leanna just got her butt worked for pulling the fire alarm here at the hotel.
I didn't do anything wrong. You're so mean, and I didn't do anything wrong.
Just messing with the fire alarm. It's after 9, you guys. I'm ready to.
Right, it's obvious. What do they want? If they don't want people to pull it, then
Hey, that light back there was flashing and everything. We thought, and I like how Leland, London, and Carol were all just hanging out casual here, while I ran out in the hallway thinking there was like a fire or something. Honestly, people,
you just ditched your wife and kids.
it's every man for himself. Hi guys, so we are leaving this hotel, and where'd they go? Where are the kids? Are you guys up there?
No, yeah.
So we gotta leave because Leanna pulled the fire alarm. We weren't happy. So, hi guys, so we're at one of my favorite fish and chips place, the Taste of Britain. I think that's what it's called. Here in Leighton. This place is good. Oh, we found the TARDIS, you guys.
They know it.
It's not bigger on the inside. Not this one. Are you a pirate? No, I'm not. That's why. That's why. Be careful, you guys, don't break the TARDIS.
Oh yeah, well it's got fish bites and shrimp. Yeah, that's what I want.
You know what you're getting, Carol?
I think I'm gonna get the sausage.
This place is cool, Leland. They got all the candy, all the goodies over here.
British.
All the sweets. Oh, there's like a lot of empty places. Empty shelves. Like, look how empty these shelves are.
Help me find my white chocolate.
Man, supply and demand.
Help me find my white chocolate. You made a mess.
I did. Yeah, the vinegar went everywhere.
My vinegar went in my
You suck.
or my Pepsi.
Leland forgot that we've been to Paris a few years ago. You remember that country where they spoke a different language?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one? The only one we've ever been to. Let's take a look at all the stuff we got.
Wow, that's a lot of plate farms.
Yeah.
I am one.
Polos. You guys remember polos? I remember. I mean, I used to... That was my favorite as a kid, were the polos.
Flakes?
Flakes are good. I like the flakes.
What was your favorite as a kid?
Polos.
Polos.
It's like those... So they're like lightsabers?
Oh, these. I want a polo.
We have such a...
Sorry, everyone. I had an itch on my eyebrow. Sorry about that. Or, well, right here. Sorry, near my eyebrow. But you guys know what I mean. Sorry about that.
Labor shortage, guys. How bad of a labor shortage do we have? Well, guys, we have such a labor shortage that they have to have mannequins now to flip signs and stuff. Like, they couldn't even find a real person to do this. They had to have a freaking mannequin. And this machine thing that just moves the sign around. That is the... like, man, things are getting this bad, guys. Like, there's such a labor shortage that we're having to use mannequins now. Just to flip signs on the street corner. That's where we're at now. Alright, we're just hanging.
Excuse me. Sorry, I burped twice. And excuse me again. I had my mouth closed, then I had to burp again. Sorry. And I had an itch right there. Sorry.
Out at Target in the toy section just because we're bored. Nothing better to do right now. Oh my god, did I try? I tried so hard. Oh, revolution. You know what that's off of? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Oh,
And then they have
is that Skeletor? No, that's not Skeletor. That's Skeletor.
I think that sounds like a skeleton.
That kind of looks like Skeletor. Did you pray? Oh my god, did I pray? Oh, Leland. What is that?
You can actually squirt something. Oh, God.
That sounded wet. Oh, that just sounds wet, man. Leland, stop. Stop it. Here, put the football back. Oh, Leland. Ow. Dang it. What are you doing? You got Batman? And a fog gun. Oh, look at him. Oh, he does have the face for it.
And the body position.
Yeah.
I said that
Fog gun. Yeah. What are you doing, Leland? You know what this reminds me of? Reminds me of that After Dark video. Leland, wait up for me. Wait up. It kind of reminds me of that After Dark video. After Dark music video.
Oh, I know.
There's like a Target version of it. So there's a shortage right now on baby formula. So they're limited it to 4 per guest. So I mean, this is all they got. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's about a dozen there. But like, look at all these empty shelves, guys. This is normally would all be filled up with formula. Like, that's just insane. All this, like, there's hardly any formula. That's kind of scary, you know. If I mean, luckily, me personally, my kids are older, but I mean, there's a lot of, you know, parents, newly parents and all that's kind of scary right now. All right, we're just checking out. What are we getting, guys? We're just getting stuff here.
I got tech decks.
I got this. You know, fun fact, I've actually never owned Tech-Techs. I've always wanted.
I swear you've had this stuff before.
I've had, like, miniature ones. They're not called Tech-Techs. The ones that I got, they're, like, other ones. They're not.
What's that?
Oh, that looks fun,
So I actually have a question. Are those mannequins for sale? Are they mannequins for sale?
They don't sell mannequins. No, sorry, they don't sell mannequins.
Oh.
Why do you want a mannequin?
I don't know. It'd just be cool to have.
That's random.
Yeah.
Alright, well that was a normal Target experience until Leland got weird and started asking about mannequins. Like,
Turns out you can't.
but she said that they don't sell mannequins here at Target, which everyone knows that.
I didn't. That's why I asked.
But yeah, I mean, but they are friendly here, so you know, you have a Target question here at Target, the employees are friendly and they will answer your questions, no matter how stupid of a question it might be.
Oh, and here's another stupid thing. The robotic sign thing.
I seriously thought this was a real person at first. I'm like, okay, she's standing very still. Lisa's in. Hello?
Can I take it?
Yeah, probably not. I bet these guys probably own it. I think these guys are having some kind of a sale today. See, I told you there's a labor shortage. Help wanted. See? They have a mannequin. But the store is closing, I think.
Yeah.
So, alright, alright, get out of there. We're not going in.
I'm playing my tech deck.
So, yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, we're just walking around right now. Just hiding as usual, trying to stay out of trouble. What else is new?
Hold on, everyone. Notification popped up. Sorry about that, everybody.
Good job, Leanna. You did it. Leila, you gotta be more supportive.
I got this. That's pretty dope.
That's pretty cool. Like, congratulate your sister for completely owning it.
I wonder if she heard me yelling.
Yeah.
If she heard me yelling bad.
Those are stories for Leland in London.
We didn't get you anything.
We didn't get you because you're gonna get one of those trophies. You're gonna get one of those trophies. Alright, Leland, are you ready to go home? Oh, there we go. Alright. Yeah. Oh, she's holding the door for us. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you, Leanna. Alright. So, we're just getting out, finally. Good job, Leanna. And, we won't have to do this again until next year. We're at Chick-fil-A. Be careful, because there's a police officer right there.
There's also a police
everyone,
officer right next to us, Dad.
right, everyone just look casual. Don't do anything that's going to draw attention, guys. Okay?
I have a gun!
Leland!
Leland. I meant to say I have a tech.
We're in the line at Chick-fil-A.
Am I allowed to be on my phone?
There's a cop right there. Girl, there's a cop right there.
So am I allowed to be on my phone in the drive-thru?
I guess if we're in park, we're not moving. See, we're in park. See, we're not moving. Yes? Oh, no. We don't want that. Well, that's what we're trying to avoid.
So I have a question. Does anyone else ever routinely always get into the wrong line? Like there's two line options.
Okay, we were,
You get
at
into
one
the wrong
point, we
line.
were on the side of that police vehicle.
Right. The police car, we were next to him.
And this line keeps moving. Like, these three cars technically came after us.
Totally came after
And
us.
that line
Had an itch on my head. Sorry, everyone.
keeps moving while ours just sits here.
So I always pick the wrong line. So now the question, do I switch? Should I come over here?
Because, like, we're still at the very back of the line.
Because everyone knew that's went over
Like,
there.
yeah,
And
like-
they're ordering.
These 3 cars should have been behind us.
So
I hate
what
when
do I
there's,
do?
I hate when there's 2 lines.
So what should I do? Should I change lanes? I'm tempted to change lanes.
The second we do it, then
change
this lane will start moving.
gonna change
Okay, go ahead and change lanes.
I'm going to change lanes.
This is
because I'd already be ordering. So guys,
Yeah.
do you ever always get the wrong drive-through line? Because I always get the wrong drive-through line.
Yeah.
You're saying? But Daddy,
Hold on.
no, we didn't.
There's more cops. Oh, God, there's cops everywhere.
Uh-oh.
Now
There
what?
was 3 of them. 2 of them. Are they closing down the road looking for us? Oh my gosh.
Why are they looking for us now? What did we do this time?
I don't know.
I don't even know what we did.
What'd you do, Lee?
Oh
Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Is this like a roadblock? It's a roadblock, huh? Everybody just duck.
Oh, shoot. That's a bad accident.
Oh, was it an accident? Oh, but there's another one right there.
Oh, there was a car in between the trailers.
Oh my God, there's another cop right there.
That guy's probably dead. That guy's
Alright, look out, there's another police vehicle.
Oh, no, put your hat on. Oh my God, stay on your hat.
Oh, that might have been too late.
How long are we gonna have to?
Oh, what's up with this guy? That's a very old looking vehicle, but there's like a skeleton or something behind it. Like, what? That's a very old car. What is that with the skeleton? What? Whoa, what do you got there, Cal?
So we got a special package from Matt and Dre, or Dree. We got some of they sent us medals that they won at the Special Olympics. So we have like a gold, a silver, and a bronze. They said that they have a whole bunch of them, so they sent us.
Wow.
They wanted to share them. So, yeah, so they say...
Which Olympics were these?
Well, it says Special Olympics, Skill, Courage, Sharing, Joy, and then it has like their little logo on the back.
That's really cool.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations, yeah. And then London got something from Teresa. She got some stuffed animals. A unicorn, a whale, and a bunny, it looks like.
17, then keep left.
What? There's police cars everywhere here.
They're like...
What on earth? Whoa. What? There's police cars everywhere here. Like, Carol! What are you up to?
I'm going to fan mail.
Fan mail? Yeah.
Fan mail.
Holy cow.
Yeah, we have like all of this stuff.
Got one from
Had an itch right there. Sorry, everyone.
Connor.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's from Michael. I know it's kind of late.
And look at these.
We just barely got around to opening it.
These are from Reborn Babies 20. They made some Rainbow Loom bracelets for each of the kids.
Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, and then we also got a really nice card and gift from, let's see here, from Eric from Sweden.
What?
Way from Sweden.
Sweden,
So
wow.
thanks, Eric from Sweden.
Okay, and I got another letter here from Vincent, whose dog just passed away. But he said that our videos have cheered him up during this hard time. So we're happy to help you out, Vincent, and hang in there. And let's see, we got one from...
Let's see, this is from Gordon. A nice card.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys. I mean, we got a ton of letters here.
There's a ton.
I like this artwork here. Who drew that? That's pretty cool.
Oh, and
Let's see
Teresa.
the name. Oh, Teresa. Yeah.
Teresa,
Okay.
thank you for the toys for London.
Yeah. I like this artwork. I don't see a name on here, but whoever drew that, that's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks,
Love
guys.
your video or your mail. So make sure if you want to send something, check out our P.O. box.
All right. Wow, we got a letter here from Cliff. Thank you, Cliff. I like this artwork here. This is from David. That's pretty cool.
Oh, whoa.
All right, guys, now that we're back home, I think everything's back to normal. I think everything is safe again. No drama, nothing like that. No one's getting arrested, so that's nice. I'm going to do a captain. What do you want? Wait, not 20. 2002. I was going to say 2020. 2002. Dang, that was 20 years ago. I can't believe that. Production. Who, by the way, has 10,000 subs, so congratulations, Jordan. Let's see. New train for London. Oh. Muscle Mike. You don't want to mess with him because he has muscles. Evelyn Kano. Kirby. 35. Gotcha. Not found. Oh, sneaky. Aiden Jack. Boomer Jinx. Who you calling a boomer? 22. S. Kent. Cowabunga Simpson. Adam Clark. Tram Boy. Thomas Palmer. John Markin. And Eli Cooper. So thank you guys for being captains of this crazy channel. What?
The ice maker needs help.
What's wrong with it?
Well, it froze. There's a giant block of ice right there, and I can't take it out.
What the heck? I said like all froze. Like right in there. I don't know if you can see, guys, but I'm trying to get my camera in there. There's a tight squeeze, but all the ice, blob of ice all froze together, and now I can't get this out. I guess we'll have to leave it open for it to melt.
Well, that's
So then,
annoying.
yeah. Whoa. I just dropped the ice.
Alright guys, so thank you for joining the Oshitaka Mushroom Army and being a captain. If you guys want to join the army, there's a join button down by the subscribe button. Who's at the door?
Yes.
Who's at the door?
It's the police. Hello.
What?
What can we? You're here for Leanna?
Oh my god, not again.
So what? Why are you here for my daughter? She pulled a fire alarm.
This is the one at the hotel, huh?
Hold on. Leanna?
It's the one at the hotel, huh?
The police need to talk to you. Please.
Hey, shh. You can't say that.
I don't give a you. Oh,
Watch your mouth.
stop it. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's in. Stop.
Leanna, okay. Mike, okay.
Hold on.
Sorry.
So, okay. I don't want you here. Get lost.
Okay, so is this the one at the hotel? Because we knew about that already. We
Yeah.
actually did.
Hotel. Pretty sure someone sold a candy bar. Oh my gosh. Okay. No, you can't take her. She can't go with you.
Oh,
Dad, you can't take me.
are you serious? Again?
You can't take me. No. You stupid little. Oh, you can't take me. I'm scared of you.
Leanna, you gotta listen to him. You're gonna get arrested. Leanna, you're gonna get arrested.
You can't take me from that house. Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
I don't want us to all get arrested again.
Hold on. Stop. Okay. You're not taking me. Okay, I understand. Leanna, you're gonna have to go with them. No! You're gonna. I'm not going with them. We're gonna
Leanna, listen.
talk to lawyers or something and see what we can do.
Oh my gosh, you gotta go with them right now.
Over my dead body.
Well, it might come down to that.
No.
Now, come on.
No! Hey,
You just gotta go. You just gotta go. Oh, seriously? So, Leanna just had to go with the police. They came talk to her just now.
Oh my god.
And, are you okay, Phil?
Oh my god.
We just bailed out of jail, and now she already got arrested again for pulling the goddamn fire alarm. For pulling the freaking fire alarm! Duh! I'm so sick of this! I'm so sick of this! So much! It's just too much! It just keeps happening over and 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 over again!
You gotta get her out.
Alright, guys. That is it, I guess. Leanna got arrested again! So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, our videos are skits. So, whatever. Be sure to subscribe if you're new to our channel. And watch whatever video pops up anywhere around here. I don't know. Whatever. I'm annoyed, guys. It's been a stressful week and a half, however long it's been now. Week, I don't know. Whatever. Wait.
awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Oshitaka Mushrooms channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and on my second channel, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist on both my main channel and my second channel. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. Please everybody, please, please everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.
We'll be right back.